Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Now, usually I'll tell you if you're new here to subscribe for tech videos and giveaways, but I'm just too excited to share this with you guys, so I just want to jump straight into the video. This is the Fifine K670 USB microphone. I featured this mic in my Best Tech of the Month series, and a lot of you guys loved it. For under $50, I've just been blown away by it. Let's check it out. What's good, people? I'm Yeti Machete. Teching ain't easy. I'm here to help. Now, for you impatient people who just want to hear how the mic sounds, well, this is it. Later, I'll be comparing it to a $200 microphone. And if you want to check out this mic at any time, I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description for you. The K670 is designed beautifully. The matte black and gray color scheme is subtle and professional looking. Right now, there are loads of big, bulky microphones currently on the market. Thankfully, this mic isn't one of those. This little guy measures in at 2 inches wide by 4.5 inches tall. So yes, the mic is little, but don't let that fool you. This thing is built like a tank, and hefty too, coming in at just under 2 pounds. The entire mic is made out of metal, and even comes with a metal stand. Though I do recommend getting a mic arm to help dissipate those desk vibration noises. If you look close enough, you can see the 16mm mic capsule through the metal mesh cover. This mic is a cardioid microphone, which means that it's going to be great for vocals. This is going to pick up sounds directly in front of the mic, rejecting sounds from the back and sides. This means that it's going to be perfect for YouTubers, streamers, podcasters, music artists, etc. On the back, you even got a headphone jack in for live monitoring, which is great. There's no audio delay or anything like that. Now, on the front is your volume knob, which is going to control your gain. This is a sound test of the Fifine USB microphone. I am now moving around the mic to see how much sound it blocks out. Now I'm typing on a mechanical keyboard to see how much of my voice is being picked up versus how much of the keyboard is being picked up. Alright, now this is a test of the $200 Rode Podcaster microphone. I am now moving around the microphone to see how much of the sound it blocks out. Now I am typing on a mechanical keyboard to see how much of my voice is being picked up versus how much of the keyboard is being picked up. Whew! I mean, definitely let me know what you guys think of the microphone in the comments, but I'm damn impressed, man, and I really wish I knew about this microphone before I went out and purchased my Rode Podcaster. Now, for a mic under $50, this is possibly the very best you can get, and I highly recommend it. If you do want to check it out, go ahead and drop a link down in the description. But that pretty much wraps up the video, guys. If you guys did enjoy the video, you already know what to do. Really smack that like button. And if you haven't yet, definitely check out some other content. I would appreciate it greatly. I'm signing off. Catch you guys in the next one.
Think too much, I'm out of touch, it's true. Don't give a fuck, actually I do. If I said too much, I